This message, what brethren named Horny Pastar. Top rat them call him. My run a radio station and a program. I'm a brethren. I want to warn him. Leave Macca fat woman alone.
Wasn't me. Saw me kissing on the sofa. It wasn't me.
People from this morning when me wake up, Danny Bless call me. Raga Rugi call me. Just now, Rapper call me. I tell me about this video here where they see a girl. Let me tell you something, people. Me have a twin brother. It might be him. It is not me.
It wasn't me.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, and lioness. Big up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV. Yes, we say give thanks to life, health, and strength. Give thanks to another day. I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health, you know, health over wealth. Yes, man, coming up in this episode, we have Vigilante, UK-based artist Vigilante. Yes, man, I give a stern warning to Horny Pastar, aka the Rat. Now, I saw this video circulating. I will see Danny Bless, who's an ex social media influencer slash promoter slash artist slash stage presenter. You see me? Yes, also post it. So now we see Horny Pastar come out in response. And this is an alleged. I don't know if it's true or false, but it's out there in the public space. So Vigilante, who's an artist, was saying them up anyway, them a study work, I'm an old Vigilante. It's a man say him an emperor. Big myself emperor, freedom is a must. But yeah man, I want Horny Pastar to love the man, woman alone. Horny Pastar keep going to the man house. When the man gonna work, I play the Joe Grind settings, I drink out the man Iron King and him any see them and them thing that like camera setup and I don't know but Pastor Sam twin brother. So anyway, before we make on here I'm going to play go check out my single Welcome to Kingston and check out the EP 6 tracks upon it. You see me? Yeah man, so no further delay. Yeah, I go on man. Only can comment in the comment section, let me know what you think. You see me I say? But Pastor say, I know him, I'm twin brother. Alright.
Welcome to Kingston, welcome to Jamaica, welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Larmobile, you will stay. Take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go!
This message, what brethren named Horny Pastar. Top rat them call him. My run a radio station and a program. I'm a brethren. I want to warn him. Leave Macca fat woman alone. Leave Macca fat wife. And the same thing you do with Takuma life. You mash up Takuma and Anita. Because Takuma gonna work. Yeah, you in a Takuma bed. Pastor, Horny Pastar. Leave Macca fat woman alone. You get away from Takuma. Macca fat a plan for you. Because him says him turn him back. Delzy invite you in the house. You sit down in the man house. I drink out him Horny King them when buy put in him fridge. The man have little Hennessy. Yeah. When put in a cabinet, you boss have the man Hennessy and drink out the whole of the man Hennessy. The man put camera in him place and I watch you. Leave Macca fat woman alone. Pastor. Top rat.
Me on camera. It wasn't me.
People from this morning when me wake up, Danny Bless call me. Raga Rugi call me. Just now, Rapper call me. I tell me about this video here where they see a girl. Let me tell you something, people. Me not like nobody woman. Me don't like nobody's woman. I don't mean I'm a bed. Me can't be more than one place one time. Me don't like nobody woman. Nobody never see me trouble that woman yet. There is no rumors in this world from my name. There is no girl that can come out and say me I slap her in her glue and she have her man. If a girl have a man, me no look pan her. Me no look for nar. Me have a twin brother. It might be him. It is not me. Nobody can say me. You can't. Nobody can. Me say me say video out. It's not me. Nobody can say me. Me no want. Yeah, listen.
Take you in the house. You sit down in the man house. I drink out him and the king them and pipe up to their friend. The man have little Hennessy. Yeah? And in the cabinet.
Me no drink, bro. Me no drink. Me no drink.
Camera and place and I watch you. Master fat woman alone. Pastor. Top rat.
See it, yeah?
Horny Pastar. We par with Ragarugi. Leave Macafat woman alone. You can't say me no want you Macafat see me. I say if you want you.
I call vigilante and no call this can't go on. It's not me. It's not me. Me is not me. It is not me. I don't me not like people woman brother. It sound like she all fat too. I mean overweight. Macafat sound like a man who have a overweight woman. Obese, not me, bro. Macafat is a whole time name, brother. Me don't know nobody named Macafat and Delcy and them. Brother, vigilante, I'm a bridge, Jimmy G. You should have called me and asked me before you start one. Oh, vigilante, now my number. I see him day before yesterday. I see vigilante day before yesterday. People, let me tell you something, people. Me in my bed. Right? Me in my bed. Me never bother wake up yet, you know. No, me have to go wake up now and do video and then me in my bed. Me no want about. Let me tell you something. A long time I live in England, you know. Slap and fall like girl them already. Me no want nobody woman, brother. Me not 300 reach and I know me no want nobody woman. Good, please leave me alone. Vigilante, me I'll give you a call and a second call. This seems a bit. You shouldn't do that, brother. You shouldn't call me cause it's not me. Me have a twin brother named Bad Twin. Look out for him. Him would do them things. Him not no morals and no scruples. Him is not a pastor like me. Him not no respect. Him not respect people. You see me, it's not me. I can't take my brother whatever and fry me. Don't do that, brother. You don't have to know what going on, brother. Call me and talk to me. I'm vex, brother. I'm vex, brother. I'm wake up to this, brother. I have to put it on my TikTok, brother. To come forward to do this, it's not me, the rumor we are growing. It is not me.
Okay, my viewers and subscribers in here, Horny Pastar, aka Top Rat. Should I say that? Yeah, vigilante. I give what I want, but my viewers and subscribers, if this is true, you know, vigilante, I think him should have reached out to Horny Pastar first, more than before going public. It look like it's a regular thing. Horny Pastar go out with, you know. Allegedly, but say Horny Pastar get you with Tukuma. And all of these names are some old school names. So we don't know if vigilante no really want to call out the real name them for the people them get exposed and gone out in the public. If you might use the names them and a Sykes and a real thing, as me say, I don't know if I real or what, but me have to go link up Horny Pastar. But Pastor said that him, it might be his twin brother. So yeah, Shaggy said it was him.
Wasn't me.
It was me. I tell Raven say, yo, it was me. Well, let me know what you think before you as subscribers. Speak up with yourself. Yeah, what? Don't forget to like and share. Thank you for your continuous support. I'm out.
The party's full of tourists. That's one thing I admire and notice. Who know they are ready, I listen to one love. They are real down and dance to rubber